Right, we're going on a quick test drive here. Got 6,714 miles on the odometer. I love this steering wheel with the billet on the back side with the grooves for your fingers. Really nice in the hand here. Very solid feeling. Shifting nice and smooth. Typical rattles. The brakes feel good. Steering's nice. You're gonna have some vibrations. Now keep in mind, I got some keys here. That might be what you're hearing. Rattling a little bit. You're gonna hear some typical creaks and rattles though in the cabin as well. Steering's really straight here. It's not shaking or shimmying anywhere. Feels solid. Really nice driving truck though. Sounds really good. I mean, you don't have to fight it at all. Hands off the wheel, driving straight. We're going to do a visual condition report, so we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Date code on the tires, 2024. Looking at the wheels, they look really, really nice. NT555 G2s. Looking at the paint, little dimples here and there. Little very light surface swirls from just kind of everyday washing. You have some damage right there. Got the carbon shorty antenna. A-pillar looks good. Side mirror looks nice. You have some damage here. You have some cracks. I believe these are just vinyl stuck on. You're gonna see some flaws in the paint in that area. Marking. Plastic here looks really nice. You have a little scuff there. See those little swirls, just kind of light stuff. Making our way down the bed. See some like kind of lines in the paint there. It's very subtle stuff, things you'd have to really, really be looking for. Looking at that wheel, looks amazing. Bed liner looks awesome. Here on this back trim piece, you're going to see some dents and dings. Looking at the lighting, that looks amazing. That light looks good. Now you do have a bunch of swirls on this chrome. Looking at the edge. Couple little rock chips. Got one right there. The rest of that looks good. You're gonna see some little sanding marks, a little bit of orange peel. Overall though, looks good. Got some damage on that plastic. Crack on the splitter. Looking at that fender, looks good. That wheel looks amazing. get in the right angles, you're gonna see little stuff like that in the paint. You do have a touch-up spot right there. Looks good. Wheels nice and clean. You do have dents kind of all throughout this metal trim. That light looks good. This bumper is typical little scuffs, but overall in great condition. Alright, checking out the interior here on that door panel. Overall in great condition. The lower side looks good. You do have some scuffs here on that trim. And looking at the seats, they have a lot of wrinkles. Very heavy on the wrinkling, especially here on the bottom side. With some gashes kind of there. Little flaws. This steering wheel is really, really nice. Checking out the back side. Kind of the billet, really clean. Gauges look good here on the dash pad. Overall in great condition. That looks good. Looking at the headliner, nice and soft, looks really good. All right, looking at the door panel, looks really good. Little marking here, some light fraying. Now this window does not like to roll down. It took probably 30 seconds for it to make its way down. So that might need to get checked out. Tons of wrinkles in the seats here. That side looks good though. Not seeing any rips, just heavy on the wrinkles. Underside looks good. Vent is clean. Some spots are kind of peeling up. Overall, that dash pad looks nice. All right, we're just gonna scan through the engine bay here. The battery is from 2021.